This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming edit access and opening the exact Google Sheet because editing the wrong file wastes time. Once open, check the tab and last modified time so you know you're in the right place. Next, make a backup copy and turn on version history. This protects you if something goes wrong. Now position yourself on the Sheet tab and locate the cell range you'll update. From here, you'll perform the first edits and set up validation rules to avoid errors. You now perform the core updates. Select ranges and paste values, or use paste special to keep formats consistent. When adding formulas, insert equals sum for totals, equals if for logic, and equals VLOOKUP or index/match to pull related data. Explain why each formula matters so results remain auditable. Make sure to lock key cells with protected ranges and apply data validation to prevent bad inputs. Once formulas are in, drag fill or use array formula, where appropriate to scale changes across rows. You finish by auditing your changes. Scan totals and sample rows, use filter views to inspect subsets, and check version history for recent edits. Make final formatting tweaks and share the updated sheet with clear comments or at mentions so collaborators know what changed. If something breaks, first check formula references and ensure numbers aren't stored as text. Trim spaces and confirm ranges. One key troubleshooting tip. If values show #n/o or #ref, inspect the lookup key and protected ranges. Reverting a recent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.